verses in red. I know this song, it ain't never gonna end. I'm gonna march you up and down the Local County line, take you to the leader of the band. The leader of the band, Pro Trader Mike with the MOJO Day Trade Room. Video recap for Thursday, October 29th. Right now, we're in an Apple trade right here that we're in a rail grind on. The Apple trade was called off the V-band right here by Mojo. We're right now riding the rail grind. That was trick number one. I rode the rail right up. I did off this little jump right here. I did a 360 backflip right there off that jump. Then I landed it. I came down right here. I launched right off this jump right here for number two. Magnificent trick. Then I came down right here, got some speed up, and I launched again right here. And I'm about to possibly come out of the rest if it goes through, touching right here at 72 to 75. If it has to hold 70, otherwise it's going to go through. Boom, we're out. Done. That's a perfect rail grind, guys. Right there for the MOJO Day Trade Room. Perfecto. Say hello, everybody. That was 119.70 for another piece. First piece was sold at 62. Next piece sold at 70. It's got to come to I'm trying to make the line, but it's not coming. Anyway, that's the end of the trade anyway. So another great trade in the Mojo room. Here's where we bought that Apple long at 119.49 and added again at 52. Sold some at 62. Just sold some at 70, and that's just the end of the trade. We're going to move on and do some other ones. Let me show you what else we traded in the MOJO Day Trade Room, and then you could tell me if you could follow along. Okay. I got a lot of monitors going. That's why I look to the left, because you're looking at the screen and on my trading platform screen. So right here, you have USO pre-market 76.75, sold flat, made nothing, sold it at 78. Then we bought INVN at $11. INVN went to 12.61. So ask yourself, did you hit the stock today? INVN at the open. Here's what it did. It did a V-band break right here that I teach in Mojo University off a green giant bar. That's why we played it again. Okay, and that's why it went higher right here. Now it's just come down in its base. It went off in. But let me show you right here the move. The move happened right here at $11. And the stock made a move up to $12.50. So everyone's saying, oh, man. Easy to call after the fact. But I called it right here in the day trade room at 11, at 9:29 a.m. Here's the signal right here on the stock. See, at 9:29 a.m., it's about to open, Traded light volume. Our signal was to buy through 11:30. That's the squeeze. We did it on a couple different issues. See that? There's the sell. Look, 12.29, 12.50. We sold right up into that. The high, it went to, after that, it went to 12.60. So we sold right up into the high. Here's the high. Right there at 12.50. At 10.10. What's this? 12.50. We sold right up into the high. Here the trade's done. See? Bought at 11.08, 11.30. It's a beautiful move. Here's another one. SCTY through 39. SCTY. Where'd that one go on the open? Through 39. Let's see. It went to 39.17. Right here, it went to 39.09. 2 times. Let's see the next one. EXAS at $9. Sold it at $9.17. Soon, $7.77. EXAS is $9.74. Bought it at $9. Were you in EXAS this morning? EXAS. So we bought it right here at the open. Made a huge dump, but we were in it right here through 9. Stock went to 9.89. So right here, we sold EXAS flat by 9.39. Okay. New high a day on INVN 11.40. INVN selling 11.53 last sale right there. We bought it back 11.80. We sold it 12. It's right up here. INVN. I'm going too far ahead. And we did RAD. EXAS again through 9.50. Soon. Again, we sold it at 7.82, 7.85. Bought it back at 76. Average 75. Sold it. Here we go at 73. Sold it at 77. Kerex at 4.30. We bought Kerex at 4.30 at 10.44. So I got a signal on Kerex. KERX. Right here at 10.44. Which was right here on this bar at 4.33. Stock made a move to 4.47. Stocks made a move to 4.55. KERX. So there's 4.30 right there. Sold 4.43. Then we bought it back. Kerex time again. Holding 500 through 50. There's 50. It's about to go. I'm letting everyone know by the minute what's going on. I'm like the referee, the leader. It's the best for everybody. Leader of the band.
Goodbye, Mama and Papa. Bye-bye, Jack and Jill. The grass ain't greener, the wine ain't sweeter, either side of the hill.
See that? The grass ain't greener. The wine ain't sweeter. Nowhere else but in the Mojo room. Guys, check this out. I can go on Google and I'll type in hotels. Okay? Look how many hotels come up. So many choices. I could press in, look, 5-star. And I got hotels. So I got the world's best 5-star. I can go to 4-star. 4-star hotels. Then you like the Chesterfield and Miami and so forth. The other ones you have 5-star. So you have, let's see here, the best hotels in the United States. There's got to be a better site than this. Let's see. The 10 best 5-star hotels. Oh, those are in Vegas. Okay, so here's a great example. So you could stay right here at the 5-star and you go to Vegas. It's like you're day trading. And you have this room right here. That's the Win. It's the MOJO. 5-star. Okay. Top of the line. And you can scroll down. Let's go to all the hotels. Go to TripAdvisor. That's a good idea. TripAdvisor. So we're going to go and New York. Let's see here. Ranking. I'm not going to do it by prices because you go by reviews. You know, this has 451 reviews for the park one in New York, 577. So you go price high to low. And you have all your reviews. And you have your ratings. Okay? So my point is, you have the MOJO room. You got the other room. You got the other room. There's actually 310 or so or more day trading rooms, just like these hotels that you could stay in New York. I mean, the selection is phenomenal. Where are you going to stay? Where are you going to, your time is valuable. Got to have a great experience. Got to learn something and have value while you're there. It's got to be an amazing stay, and it's got to be profitable. 5-star. So you want to eliminate the reviews that you've seen maybe that are bad on certain companies and stick with the good reviews. So scroll around the internet if you're searching for day trade rooms. There's a lot of them. daytradingschools.org. Put to right here. Day trading schools, where are they? Are they gone? They gone? Day trading rooms reviews. Here it is, tradingschools.org. So you go to this website, tradingschools.org, and they have all the futures rooms and all the stock trading rooms. The guy had come to my website and been in the MOJO Day Trading room for 5 days, was supposed to do something on MOJO. He never has, but all the other websites, they're all right here. And there he is. Emmett, I spoke to him on the phone. He was in the MOJO room, never came through and put the review out on MOJO, but here's all the other ones. Starting on the bottom, you have 1. Here's another one, 2. This guy got good stars. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 of them right there, besides another 100 or so available. So there's a lot to choose from. Where you're going to stay, where you're going to make your money. Same thing with restaurants. You can go and where you're going to eat, get the best experience, get the most value for your money. And I think right here, there's no better value for your money Then the MOJO Day Trade Room and the Swing Trade newsletter, and the results speak for themselves just as the reviews do and just as the results do. So for the day, Henry's made 482, Allen's made 3,813, DC made 1680, Crossan made 1156, Stacy made 506, Crawford made 250 on a small account, Kevin made 232, and Skog made 1,510. Very nice. Let's take a look where the stocks are. Apple is done. Very nice trade on Apple. What else we have? That's pretty much it. We have RAD, and it's done nothing. So that's pretty much it. We have on the swing side, OxySure is trading 200,000, up 20% today. And that's Zixi, 524 at the high of the day. New pick, Kratos Defense. Another new pick, Taser for earnings coming out on 11/3 before the open. Vail's moving. Been eyeing Vail. Vail may keep on going, guys, just like the other ones have this morning. Missed the reversal at 411, but 425 is not bad. I think it can go and squeeze 430 and go through. VALE. And that's pretty much it. Here's what also went on in the MOJO Day Trade Room. So this morning, I did a poll, and we had the stock, and it was EXAS. And I asked the room, if you were trading on your own, would you have been stopped out at 907 and lost your stock and suffered a loss due to a stop loss? 97% of the room, except the one person that maybe didn't understand English, said yes, they would have lost their stock and suffered a loss. The value of having a mentor and trade with MOJO, I had more than a feeling that it would go back up. Let me show you. So I looked up this morning, and the EXAS right here was a wait. Then we jumped into that thing, EXAS. Going to add back to 950 what we sold at 945. Follow this. We sold it at 945. So now we're going to start to add back. You ready? Exis filled 500. Exis filled 500 more at 927. Cost 932. Entries done on 1,000. Okay, watch. Have 2,000 now. Getting another 3 in 2 shots, a 1,500, a 1,500. I'm on the bid at 918 filled, 914, 15 filled on the first 1,500. Now I'm on the bid at 907 for the other 1,500. I'm going to bring my average to about 918, 920. And when it goes back into the 20s, I'm going to sell back into the 20s. Watch where this thing stopped. EXAS. Right here, EXAS this morning came up with, this was the trade originally, which was a smoking rocker. And then all of a sudden the earnings came out. Thank goodness we weren't in it. And it dropped on this bar. And we bought we bought it right here. We weren't in it right here. This was the one we bought on right there. Watch. So we went entry, 1,500, 1,500. See this? Look. 907. Was it the bottom?
Yes. Well, yes.
Did Mojo miss it?
No, 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 no. No!
Absolutely not. Right there. Filled on the bottom, selling back into the 20s. You ready? Look. 9047. It was 907 added. I was so excited I nailed the bottom. Added 1,000. Okay. Sold 919 to 24. Sold 28 with a trail stop of 19. That's how we rock and roll. Okay. EXAS flat. Then we're going to Kerex lemon squeeze the 430 on Kerex, which we bought at 426. Kerex from 426, I showed you, is 430. Kerex time, boom, 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 from 430. Nailed in the Mojo room for 455. That's how we rock and roll. So we got that. What else did we do? Soon. Hasn't done anything today, but we've made a couple of nipping profits in it. Rad hasn't done anything. CVS started to go up before, which actually still is going up. So we did this as a tag along. However, look, this one continues to go, and Rad's not doing anything. It actually went down a penny, but we're still in it. It went down a penny. Can you believe that? Look, CVS did a bunch of good. Wait, I'll show you the Iridium trade. You only need one moderator, folks. A lot of these rooms and hotels, they have so many people doing so many things. It's confusing. All you need is one top-notch concierge to take care of you in the 5-star. So here's Kerex sold 451. People made so much today. Look, tag along. CVS at 104.25. 104.25, it's 104.70 at the high. So as a tag along, I'm like, yo, we'll get Rad. Done. Can you believe that? And it's still going. Gene alert, spike. Gene alert as we speak, guys. Mojo swing. Gene alert, spike right here on the 5-minute. Gene alert. My swing portfolio's blinking. Gene alert. Gene alert. Swing traders, we own it. Be on alert. Gene, see it? 101,000 just went in. Mojo swing. We bought Taser. We bought Kratos this morning. Right there. KTOS. Taser. In both. This is actually 10 cents lower. And this is the same price. Zixi. Got some of that left, a quarter. Everything else was sold. Gene at 195. It's 198 now. It's moving. Signal on the ask at 198. 34,000 more just went in. Done. Volume's happening. $2 now on Gene live in the Mojo room. Cha-ching. Couldn't be better than anything. We already own it. It's moving. Gene alert. Gene's moving. Oh, yeah.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an S. Yeah!
Look at that, baby. Gene, 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 the machine, sheen. Another 100,000 shares just went in. Rocking and rolling. There we go, baby. Gene, Gene, Gene. On the machine. Yo, for Apple and another stock to do what this is going to do right here while I'm doing this video, Apple would have to go up like 60 points by the time I'm done with this video. It's be like, dude, Mike just showed me Apple and it went up 60 points. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What I'm talking about. Oh, I'm long so much now. It's 2:06. Gene, the rockin' machine. Gene, the rockin' machine. Look at the P&L soar, baby. You gotta love it. Gene, the money-making machine. I'm going to send out the swing trade newsletter right now for a profit alert on Gene. It's going out right now to the swing trade newsletter as we speak live. Just traded another 100,000 shares. Gene, the wild machine. I'm working diligently. This is what I do for the swing trade newsletter. Rain, shine, delivery, video, cars honking at me. I get that swing trade newsletter out. Just like the mailman, just delivers, no problem, baby, for the Mojo. Delivering profit as we speak. Taking my time, patience, because that's what it's all about. There's no rush. Mojo's in the money, baby. Everyone else is scrambling, not me. Mojo's profit, baby. Genetic technologies. Gene, the machine. Maximize as we do, because that's what we do. Clicking is the image. How long did it take me to get this baby out? Profits, Gene. Okay, here we go. You ready? Sending now. Watch. Let's see when it lands in my inbox. Sending it out to hundreds and hundreds of subscribers right now. Just traded another 100,000 shares. That's Mojo selling. Because you got to clean up selling to the volume and the liquidity. That's what the Mojo does. That's what you call ching. Now I go up right here to the swing and I let them know right here. Gene exploded. Profit alert. Think. That's what we do. That's what we do. Done. It's in my inbox. Just came in right there. So if you're a swing trade newsletter subscriber.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
But most of you that are listening to this aren't. The people that are getting it are.
No.
So you should join.
Well, yes.
And then you should get these newsletters. So right here, Mojo the machine, taking profits here, higher and maximize. See image explosion. Cha-ching, all verified and timestamped. Thank you. Ah, yes, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So let me show you the Iridium trade. So Iridium, this stock made a 3-bar move on a V-band right here, a 1, 2, 3. So Mojo bought here and sold up into the top of that and then rebought and sold there again. You won't believe this. Look, it went from 750 to 813. Look at this cha-ching. Look at this cha-ching. Iridium. And then we bought it back and made a cha-ching on it again. So Iridium, the first trade, look at this. Dude, I can't believe Rad didn't move with the CVS. So here's Iridium right here. Iridium adding at 89. Iridium entry 770, 760. Wait, entry number 1 is 760, 770, or 7. So number 1 was 770. Number 2 is 775 or 760. I was typing, it was going fast. So we bought number 1, and then we bought number 2, and then we added again at 89. So it was 3 times we bought, and then we sold at 810. Then we rebought it back at 77 to 82, sold 83 and 84. 96. Right there's the last one. And that's just beautiful. That's how we do it. There's the apple at 114.49. Boom, shakalaka. Take a bite of the apple once a day. Keeps the doctor away. Gene, the rockin' machine. Look at that P&L soar. That's what it does. Let Gene do its thing there. That's us selling right there. They're getting the newsletter. So, you need to sell into the surge. That's what we do. Oxy sure up 18% today. Still holding strong as a rock. Look at that. It's up 14% right now, but 210,000 is beautiful volume. Beautiful. So nice with the gene. Let me give you an update on the gene now. Genetic Technologies right here. See that? Gene. Rebuying at 195. Done. So Gene, the machine on the rebuy. So this was a sold half now. $203. High 204. 203. You saw everyone. If you want to reference a live trade, there you go. There's a live trade for 4%. You saw positions gone right there. Half. Going to hold the other half to that 213 plus where we sold it last time. So now that one's sold. See, it was sold at 213. Now we'll sell it again. Done. Great job. Zixie's up. Lulu ain't doing nothing with. This one we sold some. This one we sold some. This one's fine. And this one is 23.80. We're playing earnings. On 11/3 before the open. Okay. So this right here is communicated to everyone in the swing. All right, so let's see what we have back with the stocks. Soon is doing nothing. Rad's a piece of crap. CVS is probably at a new high. No, but higher than Rad, piece of junk. But that's pretty much it. So Mojo's done for the day. We have some people left in here. Another good video for today, I think. Let's do the daily goal for who's left. 10/29, ending the month. It is 1:30. Mojo has done 15 trades. In Rad, right here. I'm going to buy Rad, and then we're going to bump it back to 787. So buy Rad right now, 784, 785. I'll bump it back up. If it dips, we'll sell it at 781, 780. I ain't riding it into the 70s, but I'll ride it back up to 90. So Rad, soon. We did CSIQ, INVN, IRDM. We didn't do RYAM. We watched it. We did EXAS. We didn't do CVS, but we did RAD, and we did CAREX. We did Apple, ALU. At least 15 trades today. How do you do on your daily goal? Just a couple people in here just to get that accomplished for the day. Nice buy on RAD, 785. Couple people made 2 times their goal. Done, no problem there. Good job, everybody. Thanks for taking the poll. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everybody keep it profitable. We'll do it again tomorrow. Peace, shakalaka.